and welcome back to The Oily Life. If you're new here, my name is Tanya, and on my channel I share all things natural living, natural DIYs, essential oils, and some glimpses into how I make products for my bath and body business called The Oily Life. So today I am sharing what came in the November Simply Earth recipe box. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, it is an essential oil company. They have high quality, pure essential oils, and you can order just individual essential oils from them, or they have recipe boxes that you can get every month to kind of help you learn how to use your oils, inspire you in some different ways you can use them with some simple DIYs, and it helps you build up your essential oil collection. So these boxes are great for beginners or advanced essential oil users, either one. And they typically have a theme for each month. This month it is gift giving, and so you'll kind of see that theme go all the way through the box. So the boxes come with 4 oils. You get 3 single oils and a blend. So the oils for this month are nutmeg. Nutmeg is great for all of your holiday blends because they have that like baking smell, but it's also good for things like digestion. It's a very grounding essential oil. It's very cleansing. So this is a good one to have on hand, not only during the winter months, but it's something you can use all year round. The next is spearmint. Spearmint, is related to peppermint, but I think of spearmint as being just a touch sweeter smelling than peppermint. Spearmint is a very cooling oil, so it's great in things like muscle rubs or things like that to just help, relax your muscles. It's also good for digestion and for any sort of headaches or things like that. And it just smells great. Then the third single oil is lemon. Lemon, also good for digestion. A lot of the oils in this month's box are good for digestion. It's good for cleansing. It helps with things like acne or breakouts. And it's also, it's basically nature's magic eraser. So if you have a scuff mark or, something, or a sticker residue, you just put a few drops of lemon on there and it'll take it right off. They use citrus oils and things like Goo Gone, but this way, if you're just using the straight up oil, you're not getting the other chemicals that go along with it, and it's still just as effective. And the blend for this month is Winter Spice. This is just a really nice holiday aroma. And it has fir needle in it, it has balsam fir and tangerine. So you get all those nice tree oil smells with just a little bit of sweetness from the tangerine. So this one perfect for diffusing or, putting in some bath salts to help you relax, or just as a perfume blend, great to roll on. So lots of different uses for this one. And then in the box you always get labels, that way you can label your oils and your recipes, and then 6 different recipe cards. You always get a diffuser blend and a roll-on, and then you get 4 other just DIYs that you can do with whatever oils are in the box. So this one's theme was gift giving. So one of the things that, one of the recipes is for bath salts, and it's going to come in this cute little test tube container that they send you. There is a body spray, and you get the spray bottle for that. A massage oil balm, and you get a little massage stone to go along with that, and you can heat this stone up as well, just to kind of add to that massage experience. Then there's a holiday ornament recipe in there as well. And then you also get some cute little gift tags. As I said, this month's theme is gift giving, so you can definitely keep all of these for yourself, but if you do want to gift them, you have the tags and the labels to go along with it. And that's everything that came in this month's box. So now I'm going to show you how you can make the bath salts. For our bath salts, and these are called Greet the Season bath salts, we're just going to need a container to get everything stirred up in. And we're going to start with a tablespoon of sweet almond oil, which it would have been helpful if I already had the seal off of it, but I didn't. So I'm just going to measure that out there. And along with that, we're going to add in, and this part is optional, but we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of Natrasorb bath powder, which is basically just a modified tapioca starch, and it just helps your oils distribute more evenly in the bath water. And we're going to do about 1.5 tablespoons of that, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here because that's how I like to do it. And then along with that, we're going to add in our essential oils, which we're doing 4 drops of lemon, which will bring a nice brightness to it. 2 drops of winter spice for that holiday feel. Whoop, 3, but that's okay. And then a drop of nutmeg, just to add to that holiday smell or scent. And then we're gonna give it a stir. And it's gonna get to be like a paste consistency. Not super thick, but it shouldn't be overly runny. If it is, you can just add in a little more of your Natrasorb powder. And then to this, we're going to add our bath salts. You can use whatever combination you like. I have a mixture of pink Himalayan, sea salt, and Epsom salt. And this is about 3.5 tablespoons. Then we're going to mix that all together. Just like that. And I do prefer this to be a little bit on the drier consistency, just because then, you know, everything's kind of sticking together. And that is really all there is to it. We're just gonna put it in our cute little test tube container. I think it'll be a little easier to do this with a spoon than trying to do it with my spatula. Of course, I'm messy in general, so we will see. This could be equally as messy. Add some bath salts overboard. And put your lid on. And that's all there is to it. Isn't that super cute? And as you can see, that took no time at all to make. It's a super simple project and it makes a great gift and stocking stuffer for the holidays. And just to use for yourself as well, because we all deserve to have a little bit of that self-care in our lives too. So I hope you enjoyed seeing today's video. And don't forget, if you are interested in trying Simply Earth, I always have a link down in the description box. I am an affiliate with Simply Earth, so I do get a commission when you use my link, but I actually purchase all the recipe boxes every month with my own money. It's not something I'm sponsored to do. I just really enjoy them and like to share them with you all. So take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.